Hi, my name is Amin, and today I would like to make an introduction for ERANGEL engineering product that is called IoT-based monitoring system inside greenhouse. ERANGEL engineering Sdn Bhd offers unprecedented unique electronics and electrical products that ranges from low to high powered machines that allow customer to expand their businesses. We are driven by our domain, commitment, and clients fulfillment. Today, Erangel Engineering has serving customers with a highly experienced technical and functional team. Erangel Engineering Surabaya is a startup company that offers service to craft and customize electronics and electrical products into a new product that benefit our customer. We are founded in 2014. Erangel Engineering Sdn has provided technological solutions to customers in variety of field they are in. Currently, our focus is to implement 4.0 industrial revolutionary product. Here are our location of the Erangel Engineering headquarters. Our vision is to become a creative technological company that can satisfy customers' demand. Our mission is to create new ways of handling customers, businesses, and problems through introduction of new products. Our objective is to get at least 20 deals from the greenhouse monitoring system and reach 20 20,000 ringgit in sales and services within 2020. And our third objective is to increase average deals number by the end of 2020. Here are our organizational chart. We began with small products first and gradually getting into sophisticated products. Today, we are currently focusing on greenhouse monitoring system to include 4.0 industrial revolutionary implementation, which is including the IoT into the greenhouse monitoring system. Our motive for thriving in the 4.0 technology innovation is to penetrate the market for the innovative industrial revolution 4.0 in agricultural technology.
Hi, my name is Izzat from ERANGEL Engineering. I want to presenting about background of existing greenhouse. Next is this is normally, as we can see here, the normal design of the greenhouse of the existing greenhouse. So the important part and component of the existing greenhouse. This is the picture and the label, the important part of the greenhouse. So this is a side post. Side post. This is vertical support of the head of the greenhouse. The seal is the top of the certain wall of the greenhouse. Next is the purlin and the gusset. This is made by steel material, tube steel material. It is to keep the roof trusses aligned. So next is the ridge. The ridge, it is where the roof come together at the top of the greenhouse. So this is the important part of the greenhouse, the ventilator. The ventilator is to prevent the temperature inside the greenhouse from increasing. So next is the eave. The eave is where the side of the greenhouse join the roof of the greenhouse. So the side wall is normally made by shade net or glasses. This is to support the trousers and bear the weight of the greenhouse. So lastly is a certain wall. This is usually made by a concrete block and bricks as a greenhouse base. This is a structure need to be stronger to support the whole the greenhouse. So next is the description of the greenhouse. Firstly, the greenhouse is a structure with a glass or plastic roof frequently, glass or plastic wall that heat up because the incoming solar from the sun, radiation from the sun warm the plant, soil and other things inside the building of the greenhouse. So the greenhouse mainly built for the protection of crop inside the structure from heavy rain and direct sunlight effect. The heavy rain, especially monsoon season, able to damage the leafy vegetable and certain food crop inside the greenhouse. So the structure mostly covered with the messy mesh netting and to inhibit any pests to enter inside the greenhouse. So lastly, the most popular crop in the greenhouse system in Malaysia, such as cherry tomatoes, Japan cucumber, melon, vegetable, and watermelon. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luqman Hakim and I will present about the problem statement. There is three main problem statement for this greenhouse technology. First is the slow but increase in demand for agriculture because the population is increased. Next, the food crops are hard to plant and maintain. Next and lastly is this greenhouse system use a lot of manpower. So why the reason is why is the product need to be innovated? That is for we be able to monitor the plant easier. Next, the greenhouse will be autonomous and save a lot of manpower. And the third is we can monitor real time with the help of IoT. And lastly, we can save a lot of money by reducing the number of manpower.
Basically, the type of innovation has 6 types, which mean the incremental innovation, discontinued innovation, architectural innovation, system innovation, radical innovation, and destructive innovation. In IoT monitoring system, in greenhouse, the type of innovation is a radical innovation, which means they both cover the newness and the level of change in the innovation, which means they're using industrial 4.0 in greenhouse, which means they're using IoT monitoring system. The classification of innovation is the novel replacement product, which means they serve the same purpose as the current product, but they may include some enhanced feature. In the example is put the IoT monitoring system. In the old one, they have the monitoring in the greenhouse, but IoT means they can see, they can monitor everywhere, anywhere. Okay, this is the project model. As you can see, this project model. Okay, the purpose of the IoT greenhouse is the first purpose is the data collection, which means the data of temperature, humidity, and the moist will go to the cloud system, which means the internet lah. And the next purpose is the monitoring data from device, which means from cloud and go to the device, and we can see, we can monitor anywhere, every time, anywhere, unless they have a internet connection. Thank you.
For the functionality of our project, to monitor the condition of the greenhouse wirelessly, to analyze the data collected from the greenhouse, to improve the quality of greenhouse output based on the trend of the condition. So the specialty, what make we special from the other greenhouse? So we try to integrate the current greenhouse in Malaysia. So we adding some features like Wi-Fi, temperature, and moist. Okay, currently we using technology IR 4.0 with a sensor. We put the both sensor in greenhouse 1 and greenhouse 2. After that, the data collected will be uploaded to this cloud and will save. So we can upload and download the data to the Excel, And from the Excel, we can come out with a graph, and from the graph we can analyze the data. So we go to the project cost. So basically for the hardware, price is RM 6767 and 40 cents. So the price here is not include with the installation and data analysis. So the overall cost for the project is RM 462 and 40 cents. So and we just for installation RM 60 ringgit, and the data analysis is 35 ringgit. So that's total make it RM 462 ringgit and 40 cents.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Danial bin Adnan from the ERANGEL Engineering Group, and I will be explaining about the target market for our project. So let's go for the first one. Our target market is we intend to sell our products to the innovative greenhouse entrepreneurs who believe in technology, as our product have IR 4.0 components in it, such as the big data and the Internet of Things. We also target business owners that want their operation to include Industrial Revolution 4.0 technologies, which is the new era in Industrial Revolution. And we also aim to sell our equipment to the small farmers who want to go big with their operation. And let's moving on to the benefits and values offered by our company. We offer to reduce the wastage due to bad condition throughout the year. As we know, the climate in Malaysia are always changing due to our placement of country. We have the sudden rain, sudden sunny day all year throughout the year. Our project can closely monitor the plantation from the internet, so don't need for the business owner to come physically to their plant, because all can be accessed through the internet and online. Full technical support when breakdown occur, and this means when our sensors or our equipment fails, they have the complete support of our company to do the troubleshooting and fix the problem that is happening. Reduce manpower needed for monitoring. So with this equipment and sensors, we can reduce the manpower because the sensors are put to replace humans from being at the plant physically. All can be censored. And lastly is the highly customizable according to the customer needs, as our type of innovation and our manufacturing is the job shop.